Right. So we learned in last class how you can write the code using functions, methods, packages, sub packages, installing the new packages. Those all stories we learned. Now we need to go for Lambda functions. So Lambda functions, we have mainly three things. One is map Lambda function, how it is going to work. Second is filter Lambda function. Then third is reduce Lambda function. So these are the three Lambda functions, whatever we have it. If we go and try to observe the Lambda function points wise, let us go and try to see these points. Python supports the creation of anonymous functions. The anonymous meaning is functions that are not bound to a name. Generally, if you are creating a function, we have some name, right? But here, a function which has no name, nothing but. Same function behavior, we can go on, we can do it, but really will not have any name. As we do not have the name, I don't think so we have the reusability. Without reusability, you want anywhere function behavior you want it. At that moment, you can go on, you can take help of Lambda functions. You want the function behavior and you don't want to reuse it. Then you can go for Lambda functions. While normal functions are defined using def keyword, in Python, anonymous functions are defined using the keyword called as Lambda. Using the keyword called as Lambda. Hence, anonymous functions are also known as Lambda functions. So the syntax will be look something like this. We have to write the Lambda keyword. Then we are going to get here some arguments. Followed by that one, we are going to write here some expression. These functions are three types are available. One is map, second is filter, third is reduce. Let us try to understand this one comparatively, how it is going to be behaves exactly. For example, let us go and try to right. Let me take here some notepad. And if we try to compare this one, we are going to write normal function means something like this. We are going to write the def keyword, then followed by some function name will be there. So we are going to write the function name, something called as square of the function. Then we are going to take here some argument we are going to accept from the user. Then after the 4 characters, we are going to write here something known as return. Then we'll write some expression that is called as whatever argument 1 given by the user in the runtime, we are multiplying with the 2. Now, equivalent to this one, we can go and we can write in the Lambda, we can write it. How we can write is, in place of the Lambda, we can go and we can take here, sorry, in place of the definition, we can go and we can take here Lambda. You can take here Lambda. And in place of the arguments, as it is, we are going to take here arguments only, we are going to take here. So as it is, we are going to take here arguments. Then the expression, whatever we have it, this expression, this is called as expression. As it is, we are going to take here expression also. Expression also, as it is, we are going to take here. So in the place of the def, we taken Lambda. In the place of argument 1, as it is argument 1. In the place of expression, as it is expression. What is missing here? We are mainly missing one thing that is known as function underscore square. Whatever we have here, this one I am not defining anywhere. This is called as lambda function. There is no name we are specifying here. We are not specifying any name. We are not specifying here. As we are not specifying any name, it's called as anonymous function. This anonymous function we are creating using the keyword called as lambda. So it's called as lambda functions. Lambda functions. Please observe this syntaxes once. If you carefully observe it, here DAF is available keyword, here lambda keyword is available, arguments as it is carrying forward, expression as it is carrying forward. Only name is missing. That's what it's known as anonymous functions are known as lambda functions. Now, these lambda functions are three types are available. One is called as map lambda function. Second is called as filter lambda function. Third is called as reduce lambda function. Third is called as reduce lambda function. So these are the three lambda functions we have it. We'll go and try to concentrate on map lambda function first.